Hi, my name is Anna Schomer, and today's presentation is for educational technology and its educational technology websites that we have access to. I would like to start my presentation by saying that it is worth a quick Google search to really zone in on what websites are really out there. There are literally thousands of them. Anything you can think of. Responsibilities of educators. Educators have a numerous amount of responsibilities from teaching to protecting. One of the responsibilities of educators is to ensure we are giving effective tools that are helping our students get the most benefits out of their learning. Technology is such a huge go-to in our society today that it only makes sense to incorporate it into the classroom. In this video presentation, I will be discussing the top 3 websites that I like to use with students. The 3 websites that I will be discussing and walking you through are Math Learning Center, Pear Deck, and Khan Academy. Math Learning Center. With technology being in the center of our society, research has shown that it is best educators integrate technology into the classroom. Math Learning Center offers various types of free apps that any teacher, student, and parent can download. These apps can be used on computers, tablets, and smartphones. From our inception, we have been committed to addressing the needs of classroom teachers and their students. Math Learning Center. Math Learning Center is easily navigated. There's a search page to search by grade, level, and topic. Easily navigated student-parent app launch, provides professional development for teachers, provides educators with free lessons and publications such as Problem Solving with Storyboxes, Box It or Bag It, Math, and The Mind's Eye. I'm going to walk you through the Math Learning Center. Here it is. You can see what's happening, what they offer, additional programs. You can go to curriculum, where you can learn about the programs that they offer. Apps. Here are the math apps that they have. For families, you can do home learning resources. For educators, you can do professional development, free lessons and publications. Here's Box It or Bag It. It literally walks you through what you would need to do. Very great resource to have. The next one that I will be discussing is Pear Deck. Pear Deck is such a great resource for teachers to use with their students. Pear Deck is a great way to interact with students and to change up the way assessments can be done. Pear Deck offers so many ways to assess students. It also is able to be integrated with tools that you already have, such as the widely used Google Classroom. I have seen this done firsthand with my son's classes when they were strictly on Google Classroom, and I've incorporated it myself. We're on a mission to help teachers deliver powerful learning moments to every student every day. When we are teaching our students, we want them to be engaged. We want things that are interactive, that keep their attention, that keep them We want them to be completely engaged, which increases their motivation and increases their retention of the information we are giving them. On Pear Deck, you can create your own questions or use the templates provided by Pear Deck. It offers teacher dashboard where teachers can see their students' thoughts. You can use animations, videos, and GIFs to engage your students. Pear Deck offers many types of assessments such as multiple choice, true or false, bell ringers, exit tickets, and understanding checks that you can use along the way. When we go to Pear Deck, it looks a little confusing. There are tutorials to walk you through how to use Pear Deck. It shows you the different types of formative assessments that you can do. This is a really cool one with the map. The draggable drawing. It's literally anything. You can integrate using Gmail, PowerPoint. There's different types of blogs that you can read to see how other teachers are incorporating it into their classroom. Here's all the teaching resources and how to get started. Again, wonderful resource to have. It is fun for students and for teachers to make. The last one that Khan Academy. Khan Academy is an online website that teachers, students, and parents have full free access to. Khan Academy is a great resource when we hit those subjects that seem daunting. I have personally used this, and my children have used this. It's been around for a long time, and it's a great resource. For every student, every classroom, real results. The mission at Khan Academy is to provide a free world-class education to anyone, anywhere. Khan Academy offers grades from pre-K to 8th grade. It goes higher than that. There's college, there's high school, there's get ready courses for pre-K through 8th grade. Algebra 1 and 2, geometry, trig, calculus, statistics. There's subjects such as reading and language, life skills, science, math, economics, and computing. Let's go take a look at Khan Academy. Here's Khan Academy, and you can select, you can do learners, where you can sign up, you can go to courses, and you can see all the different things that they have added on. For life skills, I mean, there's emotional, social and emotional, there's growth mindset, there's internet safety. This is just a really cool resource. Let's do middle school biology. It literally starts cells and organisms. If we click on that, it shows us lessons we can learn, understanding cells and organisms. You can answer questions to check your understanding and your competence. This is a great resource. You can use this in the classroom. They can use it on their computers. They can use it at home. Must have for educators. Here are my 3 resources that I used: Khan Academy, Math Learning Center, and Pear Deck. Each of these can be retrieved from clicking on the links provided. Thank you for your time, and I hope you've enjoyed my presentation.